Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how do you calculate shipping on Pandabuy. So let's get into your video. So firstly, open up Pandabuy and then log into your account. So once I've logged into your account, so what you're going to do is I'm going to add a product or an item that I want to calculate the shipping for. So for example, let me add something. So I'll add a shoes. So probably I'll add these shoes here. So okay, let me add this. Okay, so I'm going to choose this shoe. So what are you gonna do? So let me choose the size, color, and then okay, edit to cart. All right. Okay. So I've added this to my cart. So I'm gonna go to my cart here. Okay. So if I open up my cart here, so what I'm gonna do to calculate the shipping, you're gonna simply select this. All right, and then here you'll have an estimator to calculate the shipping. So click on estimator. And then here what you're going to do, you're going to select the country where you want to ship it to. So select the country you want to ship it to, and then here select the product. But before you select the product, you're going to select the category. So category of this product, so under which category this would come. So for example, this is a shoe, so I'll click on shoes, and then you're going to choose what you're going to choose based on the weight here. So you're going to be careful with this selection because this weight will affect your shipping amount. So you're going to choose that's much closer or relevant to years. So for example, I'll choose this one here, right, shoes, and then once you choose, hit on confirm. Okay, so this is like for reference, that's just a reminder that it's a difference. So the exact weight, might be slightly one or a bit off depending on the actual amount. So that's what it is. So okay, once you select that, so what are you going to do? Select the product now, and then hit on inquire. Okay, and oh yeah, sorry, let me select the country. Yep, shipping to Australia. I'll just put as Australia. So just put in your country and hit on inquire. So now here you will have, all right, you will have a rough idea on this shipping cost here based on the data. So this might not be 100% exact, but it will be more or less around this amount here. So you can like now once you're done with this, so you can what you can do, you can just select something like that. So you can select it, and then you can just proceed and then proceed with your payment and complete the order. So that's how it is. So hope this video is helpful. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.